Hello student, I am Dr. Pankaj Goyal. I will solve today last year mathematics paper of AKTU, external examinations. First, I just take the photo of this paper and then I will solve in next sections. In this paper, there are the three sections. In section A, there are this 10 part and you have to attempt all 10 part. In section B, the 5 part, each part from one module, and we have to attempt only the 3 part, right? And now we take the second page of this paper. The second page, this one. In this C part, there are the 5 questions and each questions have the 2 part and we have to attempt only the 1 part and each question from one module. 5 module means 5 questions and each questions have 2 part. We have to attempt only 1 part, right? And that this paper you can also download PDF form from the descriptions. I will give the PDF link of the this paper. You can download from there. Next part we will solve this paper. Okay. हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे AKTU के प्रीवियस ईयर के पेपर को, मैथमेटिक्स के पेपर AKTU एक्सटर्नल एग्जाम पेपर 2018-19, दैट मीन्स लास्ट ईयर पेपर. How to solve the question paper, we will discuss this one. There are the three sections, section A, section B and section C. First we discuss section B, right? In section B, there was the 5 questions. In question number 2, attempt any 3 part, 10 into 3, each part of 10 marks, right? First part is given as using the Frobenius method to solve this differential equations 9x 1 minus x y double dash minus 12y dash plus 4y equal to 0, right? In second question, apply Dirichlet integral to find the volume of an octant of x square plus y square plus z square equal to 25. That means the sphere of radius 5. And third part is find the half range series of fx, where function is given as x from 0 to 2 and 4 minus x 2 to 4. And fourth part is so that u equal to this is a harmonic function, then find the complex function fz whose real part is given by this. And last part is expand f of z, where f of z is given as 1 upon z minus 1 z minus 2 in the given region, and 2 parts are given, modulus of z between 1 to 2 and modulus of z greater than 2. In question paper you have to attempt only 3 parts, right? So selection is very important. Which part we should attempt first such that we secure good marks, right? In this, I recommend you to solve this question number B, first one, apply Dirichlet theorem, then question number D, and this question number E. That means Dirichlet theorem, then harmonic functions, then expansions of the series. This I recommend these 3 parts, right? If you don't know any one of these, then you can go for find half range series of this one. And after that, you should go this one, the Frobenius method, solved by this one, right? For this first part, Frobenius method, you can see the solutions of this one in module 1, video 7, part 1. You can see from here. So I will not solve this question here. You can see this solutions of this one in video 7, module 1, part 1. First, I start from the question number B part. B. In the B part, he asked that find the volume in first octant. So write volume in first octant, that is equal to table integration B dx dy dz, and where B is x square plus y square plus z square less than equal to 25 and x y z greater than equal to 0. This volume is given by this one, right? B is given by this one. We apply here the Dirichlet integral. So apply Dirichlet integral. Apply the Dirichlet integral in generalized form. एंड जनरलाइज फॉर्म में आपका डिरिचलेट इंटीग्रल क्या है? दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस टेबल इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ v x की पावर l माइनस 1 y की पावर m माइनस 1 z की पावर n माइनस 1 dx dy dz where v is given as x upon a की पावर alpha x upon a की पावर alpha plus y upon b की पावर beta plus z upon c की पावर gamma less than equal to 1. And answer of this is equal to a की पावर l, b की पावर m, c की पावर n upon alpha beta gamma, l upon alpha, gamma of l upon alpha, m upon beta, n upon gamma upon gamma of l upon alpha plus m upon beta plus n upon gamma plus 1. We apply this formula here, right? For applying this one, so we compare this given integration and with this region, with this integration and this region. If we compare these two, you can see here the power of x, y, z is 0. That means we can say L equal to 1 equal to m equal to n. Because power is 0, so L minus 1 equal to 0. So L equal to 1, M equal to 1, N equal to 1. Now we compare the ABC. Here the region is given as x square plus y square plus z square less than equal to 25. So divided by 25 both sides, we get x upon 5 का whole square plus y upon 5 का whole square plus z upon 5 का whole square. That means ABC equal to 5 and alpha beta gamma means power. Power of region is 2, 2, 2. You can say here alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, that is equal to 2. And what is the value of ABC? ABC is equal to A equal to B equal to C, that is equal to 5. Right? Right here compare this formula to this one and then find the value of LMN, alpha beta gamma and ABC. Now put the value in the given formula. Put the value in given formula, we get the volume is equal to, we write this volume V dx dy dz, that is equal to a की power l. What is a? A is 5, right? And what is a? A means in region x upon a, in division whatever comes, that is a. A is 5, so 5 की power 1, you can write this 5 की power 1, 5 की power 1, 5 की power 1 upon alpha beta gamma is 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. L upon alpha means 1 by 2. Right here, gamma of 1 by 2, gamma of 1 by 2, gamma of 1 by 2, this upon gamma of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Just solve the gamma function and we will find out the answer of this question. Solving this, we get this one is equal to 125 upon 8, gamma 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2, that is pi into gamma of 1 by 2. From here we get gamma 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 by 2 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 we can write this 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. Gamma 1 by 2 cancel out and this is equal to 125 upon 6 pi. We get this answer. The answer of first one is this one, right? This is the part B. Now we comes part C. In part C, given that, no, first we solve the part D. Because I recommend you part D. In part D, U is harmonic function. Prove करना है आपको U is harmonic function. So if write the condition U is harmonic, that means del square U upon del x square plus del square U upon del y square should be equal to 0. This is the condition for harmonic function. That means we have to find out the double derivative of u with respect to x and with respect to y, and then add. If this is equal to 0, so we can say u is a harmonic function. So where u is given as u is x की power 4 minus 6 x square y square plus y की power 4. So del u upon del x. Del u by del x is 4 x cube minus 12 x y square. And del square u upon del x square. That is equal to 12 x square minus this is 12 y square. Similarly, find out the value of del u upon del y and del square u upon del y square. Find out the value of this one. You can see in this given function, if we just interchange x and y, the function will be same. So directly we can write the second derivative by replacing x as y and y as x. So we can write this del square u upon del y square. That is equal to 12 y square minus 12 x square. Because in this given function, if we interchange x and y, the function will be same. That's why the derivative also will be found out by this derivative. So you can just replace x and y, we get this one, right? Now add this one, del square u upon del x square plus del square u upon del of y square. That is equal to, if we add these two, this is the equation number 1, this is equation number 2, we get 0. By adding first plus 2, we get 0. That means u is, so u is harmonic. So we just prove first part that u is a harmonic function. Now the second part, find the complex function fz whose real part is given. And we know that there are the two types of questions, either ask the complex function, or if u is given, v find out karo, and if v is given, then we have to find out u. If u and v, u or v, we have to find out u or v, then we will use the harmonic conjugate. And if asked to find the fz, in that case we use the Milne-Thomson's method. So Milne-Thomson's method, here we use the Milne-Thomson's method. So f of z we say u plus iv, f dash z can written as del u by del x plus I del v by del x, and we know that del u upon del y, that is equal to minus of del v by del x by CR conditions, right? So we put here f dash z is equal to del u by del x minus I del u upon del y. Now put here del u by del x, add here, put here x equal to z, y equal to 0. And again here x equal to z, y equal to 0. And then if we integrate this f dash z, we can find out the value of z. And name of the method is Milne-Thomson's method, right? So first we write the derivative and then put here. So what is the derivative? Derivative of this one, u is x की power 4 this one. So write del u by del x. So del u upon del x is equal to 4 u cube minus 12 xy square. So del u upon del x at x equal to z, y equal to 0. That means this 4x cube. So this is equal to 4z cube minus 0, right? Similarly, del u upon del y, that is equal to minus 12 x square y plus 4 y cube. If we put here del u upon del y at x equal to z and y equal to 0, what we get? We get from here 0. Now apply the Milne-Thomson's method. Milne-Thomson's method, so we get, right, using Milne-Thomson's method, using Milne-Thomson's method, we get f dash of z, that is equal to 4z cube minus I into 0. that means 4z cube. Integrate this, we get f of z is equal to 4z की power 4 upon 4 plus c. We can say z की power 4 plus c. The value of fz is equal to this one. So this part is complete. Now we come the next part, that is the expand f of z. Last part is expand fz e part. Expand fz equal to 1 upon z minus 1 z minus 2. First we write the partial fractions, and I already told you that in partial fractions, if this both the factor have the difference only the by constant, that means all the term is same, only the constant difference is there. In that case, directly you can write the partial fraction as first factor minus second factor, and this minus this, which sign? So z minus 2 minus z minus 1, so we get minus of 1, and put right here 1 upon difference is here. You can write directly partial fraction like this, or you can write a upon z minus 1 plus b upon z minus 2 and then find the value of ab and put here. So we get from here this is equal to 1 upon z minus 2 minus z minus 1. This is the value of fz. The first part is given that 1 modulus of z2. We have to expand this one, and as we know that we should take common as the greater part. So in greater part, like in first one, f of z. Modulus of z means you have to expand at z equal to 0, right? So taking first part, 1 upon z minus 2, which is greater. So between z and 2, 2 is greater. So we take 2h common, minus 2h common, so minus 1 upon 2, 1 minus z upon 2 whole power minus 1, minus between z and 1, which is greater, z is greater, so take zh common, this one, 1 minus 1 upon z whole power minus 1. Expand this one, that is 1 minus 1 upon 2, this is 1 minus a की power minus 1. The formula is 1 plus a square plus a cube, like this. So a is z by 2, so 1 plus z upon 2 plus z by 2 का whole square plus z by 2 का whole cube, like this, minus 1 upon z, and this is again same formula, so 1 plus 1 upon z plus 1 upon z square plus 1 upon z whole cube. We write this. Multiply 1 upon z inside, and this is the answer. This 1 upon z inside, and this will be the answer. So multiply this one, we get so we can write this minus of 1 upon 2, 1 plus z upon 2 plus z square upon 4 plus z cube upon 8 and so on. and यहाँ से जाएगा आपके पास माइनस भी अंदर ले जाते हैं, प्लस माइनस 1 अपॉन जेड माइनस 1 अपॉन जेड स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपॉन जेड क्यूब and like this. So this is the answer. Now we come to the second part. In second part is given as 2 less than modulus of z. In this case modulus of z is greater than this one. Again write the same thing. Fz. What is Fz? Fz is 1 upon z minus 2 minus 1 upon z minus 1. Z is greater than 2, so z is greater than also 1. So in both the case we will take z as common because greater is z. We take 1 upon z, 1 minus 2 upon z whole power minus 1 minus 1 upon z, 1 minus 1 upon z whole power minus 1. We can write this 1 upon z. Again apply the formula 1 minus a की power minus 1, 1 plus a square plus a cube. So 1 plus 2 upon z plus 2 upon z square and so on. And from here minus 1 upon z and this we have 1 plus 1 upon z and plus 1 upon z square and so, right? And then add this, the first term will be cancelled out because here plus, here minus. Second term will, here 2, here minus 1 to 2, so that is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 upon z square. Here is 4, here is minus 1. So 4 minus 1, that is कितना होगा 3. So plus 3 upon z cube and so. This is the Lorentz series expressions of this given function, first and second part. So we complete all three parts. This is only the three part. You have to attempt only three parts, and each part from each module. We have 5 modules. So out of 5, you have to attempt the 3 part. But now we are solving this part for your knowledge. We are solving this part also. Now comes the Fourier series. What is the Fourier series? It's saying to find the half range Fourier sine series. Question is given half range Fourier sine series. Half range Fourier sine series. Half range sine series is fx is equal to sigma of bn sine of n pi upon lx. And in case of sine cosine series, L is always the upper limit. You can see this question. This is given 0 to 2x and 2 to 4h, 4 minus x. So upper limit is 4. So value of L is equal to, we will take as 4. Right? So Fourier sine series can be written as fx equal to sigma of bn sine of n pi upon 4x. You can write like this, right? And bn, formula of bn is 2 upon L, 0 to L, fx sine of n pi upon lx dx. This is the formula for bn. Put the value of L here, we get 2 upon 4 integration 0 to 4 fx sine of n pi upon 4x dx. Now you can see that here 0 to 4. This is, we have the two intervals 0 to 2 and 2 to 4. Divide into two intervals, that is equal to 2 upon 4, and this 0 to 2 value function is x. So write here x sine of n pi upon 4x dx plus this integration is 2 to 4 and this is 4 minus x sine of n pi upon 4x dx. We have to find out the value of integration. Then we find the value of integration of this one by this. बन गया होगा एक मिनट रुको बन गया होगा एक लाइन यहाँ लिख दो ना using the formula integration of u into v that is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 and so here is v1 v2 v3 these are the integrations and dash denote the differentiation. So here apply the formula in this first integration. U is x and v sine n pi upon 4x. So first value is x. We take this x integration of this minus of cos n pi upon 4x upon n pi upon 4. And this minus differentiation of x that is 1 integration of this that is minus of sine of n pi upon 4x upon n pi upon 4 whole square and this one and limit 0 to 2. Now come the second part, this one, this 4 minus x minus of cos n pi upon 4x upon n pi upon 4 and this minus differentiation of 4 minus x is minus 1 and this minus of sine n pi upon 4x upon n pi upon 4 whole square, and limit from 2 to 4. The value of this one is 1 by 2. Here is take minus h common, minus 4 upon n pi h common, put x equal to 2, so we get 2 cos n pi by 2, and when we put 0, due to this x, that is equal to 0, and this minus minus plus 16 upon n square pi square, put here x equal to 2, that is sine of n pi by 2, and when we put 0, sine 0 is equal to 0, and then this again from here minus 4 upon n pi h common, put here 4, if we put 4 value, that is equal to 0, right, and this 0 minus 4 minus 2, that is 2 cos n pi by 2, and this minus minus plus minus, this is minus 16 upon n square pi square, when we put 4, that is sine of n pi minus sine of n pi upon 2, right, and this part to this part cancel out, this minus, this is plus, so this to this cancel out, and sine n pi, value of this sine n pi is 0. So solving this, we get from here, we get this 1 by 2 into 16 upon n square pi square. The sign of both this one and this one, both are same. Here is plus, here minus minus plus, that means 2 times. So 2 times, so sine of n pi by 2. That means 16 upon n square pi square sine of n pi by 2. So we can write f of x is equal to sigma of 16 upon n square pi square sine of n pi by 2 into sine n pi upon 4x. This is the half range Fourier sine series of this one, right? If you like this video, then subscribe. I will solve the next part in the next video, right? Okay, thank you very much.